Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we are diving into the future of luxury travel, where innovation, style, and engineering meet to create the ultimate road experience. The year 2026 brings us a lineup of motorhomes that redefine not just what it means to travel, but how we perceive comfort, mobility, and prestige. We are talking about the top 5 motorhomes that are setting benchmarks across the globe: BMW, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Prevost Liberty Coach, and Brabus. Each one of these masterpieces tells its own story of luxury, advanced technology, and performance that puts them at the pinnacle of motorhome design. Get ready as we explore them one by one in detail, looking at their bold exteriors, their magnificent interiors, and the powerhouse performance that ensures these are not just homes on wheels, but moving palaces designed for the future. Starting with BMW, the 2026 BMW motorhome has stunned the world with its futuristic yet elegant design. BMW has always been known for blending sleek aesthetics with functionality, and their motorhome carries that same DNA. The exterior is designed with smooth aerodynamics in mind, featuring bold LED matrix headlights, a strong sculpted front fascia, and the iconic kidney grille that has been reimagined in a larger, more futuristic form. The sides showcase flowing lines with retractable panels that extend outward when parked, expanding the living space. The wheels are massive 24-inch alloys with a geometric design that adds an ultra-modern touch. The rear is sleek, with a wraparound LED light bar and a roofline that integrates solar panels seamlessly for sustainable energy use. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of BMW's luxury future. Inside the BMW motorhome, the story continues with premium craftsmanship and high-tech luxury. The interior greets you with a digital lounge atmosphere, where every surface is wrapped in premium leather, sustainable wood, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on mood or time of day. A panoramic glass roof allows natural light to flood the cabin, creating an open and airy feel. The seating arrangement is flexible, with automated recliners that can rotate and form a lounge area, or convert into sleeping pods. The kitchen area features smart appliances, touch-based controls, and even an AI-driven assistant that manages temperature, lighting, and entertainment seamlessly. The bedroom feels more like a boutique hotel suite than part of a vehicle, with a queen-sized bed, hidden storage solutions, and privacy-enhancing smart glass. Every corner is designed for comfort and style, making sure passengers feel as though they are living in a futuristic luxury apartment. Performance-wise, BMW has gone fully electric with a dual-motor setup delivering close to 700 horsepower. The motorhome accelerates smoothly despite its size, with BMW's precision handling technologies adapted for large-scale mobility. It features adaptive suspension, regenerative braking, and even autonomous driving capabilities for long-haul journeys. With a battery pack that provides up to 500 miles of range, supported by solar charging on the roof, it offers not just performance, but sustainability. Driving the BMW motorhome is as exciting as it is relaxing, combining speed, safety, and supreme comfort. Now moving to the 2026 Volvo motorhome, where Scandinavian minimalism meets innovative engineering. Volvo has designed a motorhome that feels futuristic, yet rooted in eco-friendly practicality. The exterior design is bold but clean, with a boxy yet elegant shape that maximizes space efficiency. The front fascia carries Volvo's signature Thor hammer LED lights, reshaped for 2026 into sleeker, sharper units that blend into the fascia seamlessly. The body is made from lightweight yet durable composite materials, making it eco-conscious and aerodynamic. The large side windows provide incredible visibility and flood the cabin with natural light. The roof integrates advanced solar cells that work even in cloudy conditions, while the retractable awning is smartly hidden within the bodywork. The overall appearance of the Volvo motorhome is not about being flashy, but about showing strength, practicality, and elegance in the most understated way possible. The interior is where Volvo's Scandinavian design philosophy truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by clean lines, natural materials, and a soothing atmosphere. The layout is simple, yet highly functional, with modular furniture that can transform depending on need. The use of light wood, recycled fabrics, and high-quality finishes creates an airy and sustainable environment. The driver's cabin is fully digital, with a large floating touchscreen and AI assistance that ensures safe driving. The lounge area has large sofas with integrated storage, a smart kitchen with energy-efficient appliances, and a dining setup that feels just like home. The bedroom features a king-size bed with adaptive mattresses and soundproofing to ensure total comfort. Volvo has also included advanced air purification systems, making the interior not just luxurious, but also healthy for long travels. On the performance front, Volvo has gone with a hybrid system that combines electric motors with a hydrogen fuel cell range extender. This ensures the motorhome is not only efficient, but also has an impressive range exceeding 600 miles. The ride quality is incredibly smooth, thanks to Volvo's advanced air suspension system, and their legendary safety technologies are all present here. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and autonomous driving for highway conditions make it one of the safest motorhomes ever built. Performance is not about raw speed here, but about delivering a stress-free and efficient journey. Next up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a true flagship of luxury travel. Mercedes has long dominated the luxury automobile market, and their motorhome division takes this expertise into a new realm. The exterior is unmistakably Mercedes, with a bold front grille featuring the giant illuminated star logo, flanked by digital LED headlights that adapt to road conditions. The silhouette is sleek for a vehicle of this size, with smooth curves that reduce drag and enhance efficiency. Hidden door handles, retractable steps, and flush glass panels all add to the sense of futuristic design. The sides are expansive yet elegant, with sculpted panels and chrome accents, while the rear features a dynamic LED signature that stretches across the entire width. Mercedes has also equipped this motorhome with a fully integrated smart exterior camera system, ensuring 360-degree visibility. Inside, Mercedes has created a mobile mansion. Everything is finished with S-Class level materials, from the premium Napa leather seating to the handcrafted wood trim and crystal accents. The front cabin is like sitting in a futuristic cockpit, with a giant curved OLED display stretching across the dashboard. The lounge area features reclining seats with massage and heating functions, a customizable ambient lighting system, and a high-end Burmester 4D surround sound system. The kitchen is more like a gourmet setup with a full induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. The bathroom rivals that of a luxury hotel, with marble-style finishes, rainfall showers, and smart mirrors. The bedroom is a sanctuary, offering a king-size bed with adaptive climate control, smart blackout blinds, and integrated entertainment. Mercedes has redefined what luxury on wheels can feel like. Performance is equally impressive, with a plug-in hybrid drivetrain that produces over 800 horsepower. The electric motors handle city driving silently, while a twin-turbo V8 engine kicks in for long-distance power when needed. The range is around 700 miles, and the vehicle features advanced semi-autonomous driving with level 4 capabilities. Mercedes' Airmatic suspension ensures an ultra-smooth ride regardless of road conditions. It's a balance of raw power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, making the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome a true leader in this segment. Now, let's move to the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, a name synonymous with ultra-luxury motorhomes in North America. The exterior of the Liberty Coach is all about size, presence, and grandeur. It stands taller and longer than most competitors, resembling a luxury tour bus but with finer details. The front features a clean, premium look with custom LED lighting, a massive windshield for panoramic views, and chrome accents that give it a commanding presence. The side panels are customizable, with paintwork and designs that reflect the owner's personal taste. The roof is lined with solar panels, satellite systems, and ventilation setups, all hidden elegantly within the design. The sheer scale of the Prevost Liberty Coach makes it look like a rolling palace on the road. Step inside, and you are welcomed into an unmatched world of luxury. Every Liberty Coach is bespoke, designed to the owner's specifications. The interiors are handcrafted with the finest materials, from Italian marble flooring to exotic wood paneling and crystal lighting fixtures. The living area feels like a five-star penthouse, with expansive seating, massive TVs, and even fireplace options. The kitchen is fitted with full-size appliances, granite countertops, and customized cabinetry. The bathrooms are luxurious, offering full spa-like showers, heated floors, and premium finishes. Bedrooms come with king-size beds, walk-in wardrobes, and complete entertainment systems. Everything inside the Liberty Coach is designed to replicate and often surpass the luxury of a private jet. On the performance side, the Prevost Liberty Coach is powered by a robust diesel engine designed for long-haul efficiency. It provides around 600 horsepower with massive torque to move this gigantic structure smoothly. The ride is incredibly stable thanks to heavy-duty air suspension and advanced driver assist features. While it may not be as agile as some smaller motorhomes, its performance lies in reliability, long-range capability, and the ability to provide consistent comfort during extended journeys. With a focus on durability, it ensures years of use with minimal compromise on luxury. Finally, we arrive at the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, where high performance meets extreme luxury. Brabus, known for tuning high-end Mercedes vehicles, has now expanded into creating motorhomes that push boundaries. The exterior is aggressive, sporty, and full of attitude. With wide fenders, custom aerodynamic kits, carbon fiber detailing, and massive blacked-out wheels, the Brabus Motorhome looks like no other. The front fascia carries a bold Brabus signature grille with unique LED DRLs, while the rear is muscular and dynamic with quad exhaust outlets integrated into the design. Unlike the more elegant exteriors of BMW or Mercedes, Brabus goes for a bold and dominant look that instantly makes a statement. Inside, the Brabus Motorhome is pure extravagance. Think of a luxury sports SUV combined with a private jet interior, and you'll get an idea of what Brabus has achieved. The seating is upholstered in the finest leather with unique Brabus stitching, complemented by carbon fiber trim and Alcantara. The lounge features custom seating layouts, massive OLED screens, and a sound system tuned for audiophiles. The kitchen and bathrooms are designed with futuristic finishes, using a mix of carbon fiber and luxury stone materials. The bedroom features a high-tech entertainment system, mood lighting, and custom-designed furniture that balances sportiness with comfort. Every inch of the Brabus interior screams exclusivity and power. Performance is where Brabus truly dominates. The motorhome is powered by a tuned V12 engine delivering over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes ever created. Despite its size, it accelerates faster than many sports cars, and the handling has been engineered to provide a surprisingly dynamic driving experience. Adaptive suspension, high-performance brakes, and advanced driving modes allow the driver to switch between comfort cruising and sporty dynamics. It's not just about luxury here. It's about creating the ultimate performance motorhome that no one else can match. Together, these 5 motorhomes represent the pinnacle of 2026 innovation in the luxury RV industry. From the sleek, futuristic BMW, the eco-friendly Volvo, the supreme luxury of Mercedes-Benz, the unmatched grandeur of the Prevost Liberty Coach, to the raw power and extravagance of Brabus, each of these vehicles offers a different interpretation of what the ultimate motorhome should be. They combine cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping interiors, commanding exteriors, and performance that turns the idea of motorhome travel into an unforgettable experience. For those who demand nothing but the best, these are not just vehicles, they are dreams on wheels.